Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts. I want to illustrate one of our premium kits for our Motorcraft 2100 two-barrel carburetors. So we have two premium kits, two different ones, and the only difference between the two is this one here is for the 2100 that has the pull down mounted on the top of the carburetor float bowl. So if you have that one, this is a kit for you. And of course it comes with a new brass float, and this is the ring for putting around the choke thermostat. Now this has been designed, a lot of it is for of course you replacing old parts that may be worn, but also to make it look good. So you know, these classic cars, we want them to look pretty good when we're done with them. So new screws really spruces them up. This is the fast idle lever that goes on the 2100 plastic, and it comes with two new idle mixture screws. These may not look exactly like your old ones, but they will work. And we got screws for the choke valve and throttle valve here in the top of the float bowl. And let's see, the thermostat cover for this right here. And there's a clip, I forget exactly what that's for, but there it is. It has lock washers for all these. Also screws for the power valve cover. Okay, and this here is the clean out plug for the end of the choke thermostat housing there. So if you want to take the old one out to clean it, you'll need a new one. That's what that's for. So this is a premium kit that you can add to our kit. For example, our K4008 is one of our 2100 kits, and you can add this to it as you're ordering it online on our website, which is at mikescarb.com. That's MIKESCARB.com. So do your carburetor a favor while you're rebuilding it. Make it look good too. You'll feel a lot better about your rebuild. Thank you for watching.